What's up, guys? JJ with Blockchain Candy. Hey, today we're going to do another quick video on, this week's news and last week's news. There's some important things going on in the crypto space regarding regulations. And then also, if you have about $100 to spend, I'm going to give you 3 coins that I think might do pretty good in the short and mostly long term, okay? So y'all check this out. We'll do this quick video. I appreciate all the support. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow, do whatever y'all do. And y'all check this video out. All right, guys, welcome to Blockchain Candy. Hey, I just want to say thanks for the support. We have a nice follower count. Our subscriptions have been going up for the last couple of months. Y'all keep watching these videos. I hope I'm providing some decent content for y'all. So for this specific video, we're just going to go over some of the specific news that's going on this week and things that I find important. I try to do this every 1 to 2 weeks just to give y'all some insight on what's going on with the crypto market. So something that I found really important that's going on in the news today is the fact that, the EU lawmakers on the other side of the pond, because of course I'm based in the United States, approved the world's first comprehensive framework for crypto regulation. So y'all going to be seeing a lot of this in 2023 going into 2024. This is pretty major news because, as we know, based on crypto, we don't want to see a lot of centralized things go on. And I want to know how y'all feel about the fact that they're going to be, working on these frameworks and providing laws that kind of govern the crypto market. Do y'all like the Wild Wild West style, where it's pretty much everything goes how it is? There's always a chance of you losing your money and it being high risk? Or do you like to see governments come in, the United States and Europe come in and actually try to put laws down to help protect and safeguard against some of the issues going on within the crypto space? So with that being said, we'll look at this CNBC article, which was posted on April 20th, just yesterday morning. But this is still taking effect. So in a vote on Thursday, which was yesterday, today's the 21st, they voted 517 to 38 to pass this this comprehensive crypto thing, right? So the rules will impose a number of requirements on crypto platforms, token issuers, and traders around transparency and disclosure. Because, there's been a lot of things going on, a lot of shady dealings with FTX and some of these other groups where people have been going bankrupt and a lot of people have been losing their money, right? So MiCA is the most comprehensive regulatory framework for digital access to date, okay? So this is major, and we'll see this, like I said, go into late 2023, 24, and beyond, okay? EU always seems like they're a little bit ahead of the game versus the US. So this does put them ahead of the US and the UK, but we'll see how it goes, okay? So I want y'all to be aware of this because I think this is super important news. All right, so the rules will impose a number of requirements on, like I said, the platforms, token issuers, and traders around transparency, disclosure, authorization, and the supervision of transactions. How do you feel about the EU supervising your transactions, right? This is supposed to be a decentralized thing, so this may rub a lot of people the wrong way. Stable coins like Tether and USD will be required to maintain ample reserves to meet redemption requests in the event of mass withdrawals. So we've seen this in the US with banks, right? A lot of these banks are giving out money or doing these things where they don't even keep reserves in their banks, right? There's nothing. So you have these massive withdrawals that happen from time to time and no money to back up. People are unable to get their money out of the bank. So with this being said, stable coins like Tether and USDC will require these ample reserves to be met before, just so if people are taking these mass withdrawals out, it won't be a problem. Another thing that's interesting about this MiCA crypto regulation is right here, and this is pretty huge if you think about it. The European Securities and Markets Authority, or the ESMA, will be given powers to step in and ban or restrict crypto platforms if they're not seen properly protecting investors. Now, what is the definition of properly protecting investors? You give authority to these European security and market companies or regulators, and they're able to just go in and ban platforms. To me, that seems like a red flag, and it's a little dangerous. What do you think about that? The last thing also I want to mention in this article is, like I said, they are a step ahead of the US. Parliament also cleared a separate law which aims to reduce the anonymity involved in transfers of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and stablecoins. That's another thing that the reason why we like crypto is because it is anonymous, right? So what do y'all think about this as far as reducing the amount of anonymous transactions with Bitcoin and stablecoins? I mean, there's a 529 to pass the transfer of funds regulation. So do you really want people in on your transactions and looking at these things? How do y'all feel where crypto is going? I want to know what y'all think about this. And from this point going on, do you think this is going in the right direction or the wrong direction? I think it's kind of crazy. I mean, I'd like to see some regulation, but some of these things are kind of nuts. Make sure y'all go check this article out. I'll put it down here in the description if y'all want to read the full article. I just wanted to make y'all aware of what's going on right now because I think it's very important within the crypto space. The second part of this video, I'm going to go over my 3 coins, which I found an article and I actually am for what they're saying regarding these 3 coins. If you have $100 to invest, this is where I would go as of right now. All right, guys. So the second article I want to look at, and I kind of agree with this just based on what's going on in the crypto market right now. We'll go over this. Cardano's ADA diamond support might launch a 16% rally, and we'll look at this on the TradingView chart in a second. So pretty much based on this article, it looks like Cardano ADA, which I am a holder of, has recently reached a significant milestone within its ascending price channel, hitting diamond support levels. And we know that this is partly because of the, let me see if this is switching over. This is switching over. This is partly because of how Cardano's Aitken launch pushed ADA to the new heights in the crypto market, right? And if y'all know anything about the Aitken launch for Cardano, it had to do with kind of helping with smart contracts, right? Following the announcement of Aitken launch, an open source smart contract language and toolchain for creating Cardano smart contracts, and the price of ADA has increased since the launch of this. So you know they're constantly working on the smart contract application on the Cardano network. They're trying to compete with Ethereum, right? Cardano does a lot of things to try to measure up to the Ethereum network. We can see that the aim of Aitken right here is to streamline and enhance the procedures for creating smart contracts on the Ethereum, on the Cardano network, okay? So this is going to go back and forth, and you'll constantly see the development. Now, we know Ethereum is way farther ahead just based on the smart contract apps on the platform, but Cardano is right there working to get close to Ethereum, and is actually called, right, the Ethereum killer. So we'll see where that goes as months and years progress. But I am an Ethereum and Cardano holder. So if we move over to this chart, we can see that there's been a nice increase here. Looks like this was around the, sorry, that's in the way. January 3rd, 23rd, we've seen this great move up. We've seen some support levels here, and then we've seen a major drop down, right? But as the article talks about, we see that that diamond level coming up to the top, right? And we either see a reversal, but it looks like there will be some bullish sentiment on the chart right here for Cardano. So with that being said, if you have $100, now let me make this clear. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to invest in this. This is my opinion only. You do your due diligence, you do your research, and make sure you check out. But if you are adding to a long-term position in ADA, this may be the time to start adding to it because we may see a bullish trend in the future. So this article by You Today, which I was talking regarding the Cardano or the ADA coins, also talks about XRP, which has recently experienced a significant retracement. We can see that right here, as you see on the chart, where we've seen a dramatic drop, right? But it's losing all its gains from the past 30 days and hitting the 50-day moving average, right? So this is a downturn in the asset's price, mirrors a similar reversal that took place in November 2022, okay? So this may be a chance for a buy-in opportunity. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Y'all buy what y'all want. But Cardano and XRP are 2 coins that I do hold, and I think this may be a chance to maybe catch it on a downswing, okay? And then the last one I wanted to mention was Dogecoin, which is surprisingly stable based on the You Today article. it showed some resilience as one of a few assets that has not fallen below its ascending trend line. So I don't know how y'all feel about Doge. It could just be Elon Musk manipulating prices, but it's something to take a look at. Maybe it hits $1 at some point. So if y'all have $100 to spend, this may be something y'all want to look into. ADA, XRP, and Dogecoin, which are looking pretty solid right now. XRP on the downswing, maybe something that y'all want to look at, because the court case will probably be settled at the end of 2023, going into 2024. We may see some major price action. So if you're looking for a long position, this may be something you want to look at. I think XRP definitely has potential going into the future with payment transactions and everything across borders. ISO 2022, if y'all not familiar, go look that up. But these are the ones that I want y'all to look at. If y'all have any questions, put them down in the comments. Make sure you look right here or right here. I forget where it is on the thing, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. We'll be doing some giveaways once we get to 1,000 subscribers. And y'all check the description below for free Coinbase, Bitcoin, and Uphold. And if y'all looking for any kind of NFTs, everything's down here in the description. So y'all check that out. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.